welcome back. Boss up, boss up, boss up with your boy Boss Up with K, and I'm back with another one. You know how I bring you these gig economy jobs, cargo van, load boards, side hustles, obscure side hustles, weird side hustles, any way to make money and level up out the 9 to 5 rat race. We about that. And you see, I'm back with another load board. This one is for the cargo van, box truck, semi truck drivers. Sorry, small car people. This was not for you, but very similar to another one I did on this channel, a load board, and didn't get a lot of great responses. So we're gonna try this one. Empire Load. Like I said, I signed up for an e-transport, and the comments they let me know that they don't pay on time, have very bad loads, very loads in infrequent loads. Even though you book your own loads, a lot of the loads in certain areas are infrequent, so they're not a very good fit for a lot of people. But I'm going to bring you this one. If you drove in for Empire Load, leave a comment below. Let me know. Let the community know. Let everybody know watching this video that if it's a good one, thumbs up, or if it's terrible, thumbs down. We're here. This was community about. I never said I had all the answers. I was an expert. I was a pro. I'm not promoting these companies. I'm just giving out the information, letting people decide for themselves if it's profitable for them or profitable or not. $200 down here in Georgia goes a lot farther, and $200 in New York and California. So, these loads, you got to kind of pick and choose your lifestyle, how much you're trying to make, and what's best for you and your vehicle. But for this one, you definitely have to download the app. It's free as of now. Fast loads, easy loads, cloud stores, so everything is in the app. You book your loads, you see where it's going, what type of vehicle you possibly need, and then they kind of book you going from there. Very simple process, man. Very simple process. Let's see about payment. Awesome payment plan, standard payment. Receive your money within a week, or receive your money right away. So they like to have their own factoring company where they charge 1% to send you your money faster, or you can get it within a week. It's saying no fees, a week, but that's not always the case. How do I get loads? Once you sign up for the application, you get loads offered right to you. You do have to get approved. So once you sign up for the app, you just still got to get approved. So you won't be seeing anything right away until you get approved. Signed up, didn't get a verification code. So you can't email. If you don't hear anything, go ahead and email this address with this quick pay, standard pay. That's what I was showing you to get paid right away. My load board is still empty. Like I said, if you signed up, if you got approved, you got your verification, you're still not seeing anything, go ahead and hit that support, empireload.co. And what states do you cover? That's the most important, what you guys want to see. Currently, we cover every state in the United States of America. Every state in the USA, big baby. Okay, so that's where they at with that one. And how do I get loads I bid on? Once you bid on the load, our dispatcher will call you and assist you further. So you bid on the load. If you win the bid, then the dispatcher will give you all the final details. And the most important, outside of where they are, how long it takes to get paid. So like I said, they got the weekly pay and the right away pay with the 1% fee. So that's Empire Loads. Like I said, I haven't started with them yet. I'm about to sign up unless I get some bad reviews after this video come out, like I did with the other one I put out. So yeah, that video, did good, but a lot of people let me know that that company was not the best to work with. And like I said, I even pushed the name of the company out my head. Let me find that for you guys. A&E Logistics. A&E. I did a video on A&E about 8 days ago. if you're watching this. So check that video out. Let me know if that's something you guys done before, and if you like AME. But this one is another app-based load board where you bid on your own load. Once you bid on your own loads, the dispatcher will confirm everything, rates, everything should be already confirmed before you get that call, so you know how much you're getting paid, where you're going, if you're deadheading back, and all that good stuff. So that is Empire Loads. Of course, a link to this website will be down in the description below. All right, later. Boss up, boss up, boss up.